that we have our Google Slides up and ready, we can now start doing the exciting work of designing our virtual classroom. So first off, what I would recommend is to take away all of this text. We don't need these text boxes, so we're just going to take them away. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to introduce you to your first power tip. Your first power tip is backgrounds, or our backgrounds. What you're going to do is you're going to right click and you're going to select choose background or change background. All right, so you might be thinking to yourself, I don't have a background, right? But Google does. So you're going to select choose image and you're going to go to Google image search. And you're going to search for images and you're going to put background. Yeah, because like a room, I can take a room and build it up to make it look like a classroom. All right, so you guys look at this one. This first one is very like empty, and this one looks like a good option. This one has like, I think like pinkish walls. I kind of like that. This one's giving me Frida Kahlo vibes. This one's giving me like Van Gogh vibes. So I'm kind of loving the search room background. So I give the best results. So let's just keep it simple. All right, so we'll just keep it simple, white walls, simple wood floor. So power tip number 1 was that you can change your background by right clicking and hitting change background and choosing image and doing a Google search. Okay, so that was power tip number 1 in terms of decorating your classroom. Power tip number 2, accessories, okay? So if you want to add accessories in your classroom, you can go into Insert, Image, Search the Web. I'm going to move my image over so that you can see my search. Now, you can search for anything as long as you put the word transparent in front of it, okay? The reason why is because you want the image to, okay, if I search for a pen, okay, a lot of times there will be like a little bit of a white border around it. You don't want that, okay? You want it to have no border. You just want the pen itself, okay? You want it to be transparent. No border whatsoever. You just want the image itself. So transparent image. And let's start out with what everybody starts out with, transparent rug, okay? So let's, you know what, and I'm going to specify, I want a red rug because in my actual classroom, make me all teary-eyed, in my actual classroom, I had a red rug. And I'm not in love with any of these, and they don't look like my red rug at all. So, but the best one was this one up here. So let's take this one. I'm gonna put in the image. Oh yay! All right, so it's a little like weird, right? It's like the box is huge around it. And I could just drag it down, but I'm going to crop this huge transparent box. Okay. And now I have a rug. look at that. I'm starting to build little accessories, okay? So I'm not going to like build the whole classroom, but let's look for something else. Okay. Search the web. Transparent plant. That's cute, right? Yeah. Put it over here in the corner somewhere. And just crop it to the image. All right, so we've got our plant over here, and I would like to add a sofa. All right, I'm digging these sofas. All right, so I'm gonna pick this sofa just so I can illustrate an example, okay? Not because this sofa is actually cute. No offense to the sofa or anything like that. All right, so let's say I put the sofa over here. But I can't see the plant anymore, right? So the way that Google works or Google Slides works is that it stacks the images as they come in, okay? And so if you want to reorder the like leveling of the images, this is now our power tip number 3. You can send the images to the back by right-clicking the image, clicking on order, and sending it backward. And now the image is on the top. The plant is on the top, the sofa is in the back. And I would still continue to crop this plant so that it fits in the image, okay? So it looks realistic. I hope that makes sense to you guys. What I did is I reordered the images. All right, now what else can I do? I can add my Bitmoji. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. All right, so I can add my Bitmoji. I can have one with café because I mean, like, I love my coffee. I love my coffee, but actually, this isn't the one with café. This isn't the one that I'm looking for. The one that I'm looking for, she's like singing with music and coffee. So I wonder if it's just in English, the search term. Okay, if I could type. Okay, nope. And let me try one more search. Music. Nope. Okay. So none of those search terms worked for the Bitmoji I was looking for. So it would be really funny if I put the gotta poop one. That would be pretty realistic since teachers never get to use the bathroom. But let's see. I want to put a full body one in there. So I would right click her, paste. This is like a slamming classroom, man. It's a very very exciting classroom. All right. And so this is just adding just different things to the classroom, okay? And this is not exactly how I would set up my classroom, but I'm just showing you how you can add elements to your slide. And then you can switch it up and change it up and add things to your slides.